Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make egg and plantain frittata updated. Start by selecting ripe but firm plantains and room temperature eggs, then preheat your oven to a moderate heat. Slice plantains thinly and sauté until golden, seasoning lightly. Whisk eggs with salt, pepper, and fresh herbs, then combine with the plantains and cook gently in an oven-proof skillet before broiling briefly to set. In this video, I will show how to make egg and plantain frittata updated. Gather your ingredients before you start to streamline the process. Crack and whisk the eggs in a bowl and measure oil and seasonings. Peel and slice the plantains, then chop onion and herbs so everything is ready. Having measurements handy prevents overcooking and keeps the texture even across the frittata. In this video, I will show how to make egg and plantain frittata updated. If you are enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like so you see more recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes hands-free cleanup after cooking a breeze, and it fits under counters easily. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make egg and plantain frittata updated. Heat an oven-proof skillet and brown the plantains in a couple of tablespoons of oil until they develop color. Lower the heat, pour in the seasoned eggs, and gently lift edges while tilting the pan to let uncooked egg flow underneath. Once the base is mostly set, transfer to the broiler for a minute or two to finish the top.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.